morning, second period of class 8.
Good morning, students. Please take your seat.
Environmental conservation is a responsibility of the human race. Are we doing enough? Miss Anu asked her students during the value education class.
Madam, are you taking an extra class in the value education period?
No, I feel environment conservation and kindness towards the mother nature is the most greatest value we should be giving to you. Yes, I am quite disappointed with what the boys did this weekend. They have sprayed pesticides on the beehive, which was located far away from the hostel and in the huge mango tree. Then why this mischief? In this way, you have killed millions of lives of bees.
There was a sudden silence in the class because Miss Anu looked very upset.
Madam, we are really sorry. We did not realize that our mischief would upset you so much.
It's not that you have hurt my sentiments. I'm sorry to say that you didn't understand and learn any of your lessons in reality. See, I want you all to know that environment conservation and planting more and more trees is the not only matter. It's about overconsumption of plants and animal life in the ecosystem. Just try to understand the seriousness of the condition. Do you see that billions of bees are disappearing from the mother nature?
Yes, ma'am. Bees gives us honey.
Not only honey, but they are an integral part of our ecosystem. They play a crucial role as an agent of pollination. We cannot imagine our agriculture without insects just like bees. As population on globe increases, our food demands will also increases.
Madam, I have read somewhere that insects are depends on plants. Loss of certain plants would mean the loss of certain insects which are depends on plants.
It is estimated that per year 140,000 species are at risk of extinction. We cannot forget that we are dependent on them for our survival.
Madam, it sounds very serious.
It is a horror film that we will all see sooner if we are careful with our careless ways.
Madam, I have heard that even mobile phones are also responsible for the extinction of the colonies of the bees. So a mobile phone also leads to a food shortage.
Yes, my dear. Now you are integrating your knowledge to understand the problem. Radiations from mobile and other devices are found to be responsible for the extinction of bees colonies. So, do you understand that there will be an adverse effect on crop production because of your actions?
Madam, we promise we will not harm the insects and animals. We realize that they are very much a part of our environment and we depend on them.
Keep your life simple and don't disturb the ecosystem. Live in harmony with the nature.
We human beings have abused the environment to such an extent that now every careless action is equivalent to digging our own grave inch by inch.
All living beings are born of the strength of nature. We read the theory of interdependence, but still human beings are destroying their own support system like plant and animal life.
Human activities are responsible for pollution, poaching, habitat destruction, and extinction of species of insects. We need to educate all and take important and stringent measures to prevent extinction.
Hope everybody watching our presentation have got the moral, and please share this to others so that each of us become responsible to save our Mother Earth.
Thanks for for watching.